Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use LED keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Using an LED keyboard on smartphone not only enhance visibility and reduce eye strain, but also add a visually appealing element and improve the overall typing experience. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to install this application on the App Store. Well, after that, just tap on it. Okay, go ahead and click Get Started here. Okay, and then you can turn it on by pressing this button. After that, click OK. And then you can select LED keyboard. Okay, so now you can check on your device that the LED keyboard is successfully applied. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use LED keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.